this video we are going to learn the adverbial clause in detail. Okay, in short it is written like A capital C capital L small. Okay, so adverbial clauses act like adverbs, answering the questions such as where, why, when, how, and under what condition. So let us see first one. Place where. She sat where she could see the stage. So here let us give all bracket and function to the first sentence. So whenever giving bracket, whenever we are labeling it, first we are supposed to give the square bracket. Then the second thing, that is we are supposed to identify the clause, subordinate clause. So it starts from here, okay, here to here. So this part, this is subordinate clause where she could see the stage. This is our subordinate clause, and we are supposed to identify which type of clause it is. So it is, as it is showing place, she sat where. Where is the question? Where did she sit? Where? Okay, so that's why this one is adverbial clause. A C L. That is how we write this. And then let's give this. This is our subject. This is our predicate. And as we already have discussed here, all adverbial clause work as adverb. Okay. So subject, predicate, adverbial. This one is pronoun. That's why this is noun phrase. This one is verb. That's why this is verb phrase. Okay. So that is how we are supposed to solve this question. The second thing is, that is reason why. So here let's try to find out adverbial clause in the second sentence. She left because, he left because he wasn't feeling well. So here whenever we solve this kind of examples, we give first square bracket, then try to find out subordinate clause. So this is the subordinate clause. Okay, so as it is a reason, here you can see because is the subordinate conjunction. Okay, and this one is subordinate clause, and because of here it is telling us the reason. That's why this one is ACL, means adverbial clause. Okay, this one is also adverbial. Okay, he is our subject, then left is our predicate. Okay, now again it early, he left early. So this one is again, there is an adverb. This is also adverbial. Okay. This is noun phrase. This is verb phrase. This is adverb phrase. Okay. So there are two adverbial, early and here. Again, this clause is working as adverbial. The second finish. Third one, time, when. Okay. So let's try to find out subordinate clause in third example. We will start when everyone arrives. Okay, so here first we will give our bracket, that is square bracket. Then we will find out subordinate clause. So when everyone arrives is our subordinate clause. So here we will start when. So it is telling us time. When we ask the question when, we will start when. So that's why this is our adverbial clause from when. Okay, it is telling, this is whole clause telling us about time. Okay, so ACL, this is adverbial clause. Okay, and here this one is our subject, will start is our predicate. This is noun phrase, verb phrase. Okay, this one is noun phrase, verb phrase. Let us see the fourth example. Purpose. For what purpose? Okay, so here let us see this example also. First we will give square bracket, then try to find out subordinate clause. This is the subordinate clause. So that he can pass the exam. Okay, he studies hard so that she can pass the exam. She can, here it was she. So she can pass the exam. She studies hard so she can pass the exam. Here this one, so that she can pass the exam. So that she can pass the exam is our adverbial clause, as it is telling the purpose why she is studying so hard. So she wants to pass, she can pass, so that's why she is studying hard. Okay, so here the purpose is given in this, and that's why this is adverbial clause. Here subject she, studies, predicate hard. How is she studying hard? So this is again adverbial. Our clause is also working adverbial. Here we had to give this one, I have forgotten. Here this one is also in third example, when everyone arrived, this one is also adverbial. Here two time adverbial are here. Okay, so subject, predicate, adverbial. This one is our pronoun, noun phrase. This one is verb phrase, and this one is adverbial phrase. Okay, so here these are the function, and the following are function forms. Let's see fifth example. Condition. Under what condition? Let's find out our clause. This is our first, that is how we try to solve this. First we give square bracket. The second one here, our subordinate clause is here. If it rains. Okay, if it rains. So here it is if it rains. So it tells us a condition. Okay, and that's why this one is our ACL, adverbial clause. It is telling us the condition. Now here you may be confused that sometimes there is if in noun clause also, but in noun clause that sentence is different. It is a kind of indirect sentence. Indirect, you know that, direct, indirect. So from that kind of sentence there comes in noun clause. But here in adverbial clause, if it comes, it is always condition. Okay, so this one is condition. If it rains, we will stay inside. Okay, so here this one is ACL, that is if it rains, that is adverbial clause. We is our subject, will stay our predicate. Inside is also again adverbial. Okay, where will we say? Inside, so that is adverbial. These are the functions: subject, predicate, adverb, and this one is also working as adverb. Here we is this is pronoun, that's why noun phrase. Will stay verb phrase, and finally inside adverbial phrase. Okay, finally sixth sentence, that is contrast. Let's see. As we give here square bracket, here also square bracket, here square bracket. This one is our clause, subordinate clause, and this one is adverbial clause. Why it is adverbial clause? Although she was tired, so this is although she was tired, she continued working. So this part is contrast to this one, and that's why this is adverbial clause, ACL. Okay, here she is our subject, continued is our predicate, and what did she continue? Working. So that's why this one is our object. Here this working is functioning here as a noun, and this is also gerund. Okay, here this one is functioning as adverbial. Okay, here this is pronoun, she is pronoun, that's why noun phrase. Continued is verb phrase. Okay, and working, again it is working here as a noun. Working is functioning here as a noun. That's a noun phrase. Okay, so that is how we have solved all this. So adverbial clauses can be identified with place, reason, time, purpose, condition, and finally contrast. If you can find out this one, you can easily identify the adverbial clause. Okay, thank you.